Welcome back to Cosmoholics Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama ×2 bougie vintage, and today's video is a DIY again. I'm going to be using Shooter's old t-shirt to make a new shirt, so let's get it ship poppin'. So step one, you're going to draft your pattern. The first thing you want to do is take your old t-shirt and you want to turn it inside out. You want to be working on the inside of the fabric because you will be drawing on it. I'm going to be using a pen because it's the lightest. I don't want to use like a black marker because it will show through. Once your t-shirt is inside out and flat, you want to just cut along the seams of the inside of the shirt to separate the front of the shirt from the back of the shirt. So I'm going to be cutting all the way up the sides. I'm going to be cutting the sleeves off. I'm going to be cutting around the neck and also down the other side of the shirt, and that will give me two separate pieces of fabric to work with, the front of the dress and the back of the dress. You was never trapping, you could never feel it. Get a TV on, gotta watch the lobby. Who that knocking at the door, don't expect nobody. Hundreds in the ceiling, hope they never find it. I'm forever grinding, I'm forever ever shining. They used to doubt my dogs, nice, we ain't never had it. On a trapping marathon, dog, I gotta have it. On a trapping marathon, got a bad habit. I was trapping out the condo, hundreds in the mattress. My dog called me, said the feds got him. 50,000 in the metro housing. Trapping, that's a marathon. Trapping till the day I'm gone. This for trappers only, this for trappers only. See my dog. So now that I have two separate pieces, I'm going to remove one side and put it to the side. And I'm going to work with the back of the shirt. I'm going to fold the right sides together because, like I said, I will be drawing on the inside of the shirt to draw the pattern. To make the pattern, I'm taking a tube dress that I already own, so it's just a plain black dress. I got it from Nasty Gal, and I'm going to trace this dress. You can also use just a tube top to make this and just elongate it and kind of curve out the hip, but that's a little bit more complicated, so we're just going to stick to what we know. I am pinning the dress to the fabric so that it does not move, and the dress is folded in half. So this is actually the back of the dress, and that's the only side I'm going to use. I don't end up using the front of the dress, and I'll explain why in a moment. But I pin the dress to the fabric so that it doesn't move, and then I'm now taking my pen and I am drawing the pattern onto the dress. Keep in mind that I am adding my seam allowance because obviously the dress is already seamed, or it's already hemmed and sewn, so you need to draw it a little bit bigger than the actual dress itself. And then I actually flipped the dress onto itself so that I could get the curve of the hip because I couldn't access it before because the dress was out all the way. So you just want to make sure you have that hip curve in there because that's how it's going to really hug the body. Once you're done tracing, you can go ahead and start cutting. So I'm cutting the pattern out right now, and sorry about the lighting, whatever, and you can kind of see the lines there, but they're very faint. So now I'm taking the front of the t-shirt and once again folding it against itself, and I'm going to use the first part of the pattern and cut out the front of the shirt instead of using the dress itself. And the reason for this is because the dress had a little bit of a curve in the front on the top and it was too big for the fabric, so I just use the back of the dress instead. And because it's a tube, it doesn't really matter, it's the same shape really. Only eat with who I starve with. Designer drip out on the carpet. Them niggas cannot keep up. I got my feet up 17 out the carbon. I just wanna ball. Designer on my job. I've been dripping soft. I just want it all. I just wanna ball. Designer on my job. So now I'm taking my pattern pieces and I am pinning the side to secure it. So I'm going to pin one side, I'm going to sew that side, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Fuck a palm reading nigga when you palm itch. Need a presidential rollie in a bomb bitch.
So once you've pinned that one side, you want to just do a straight stitch down. I actually did a knot first, then stitched it, and then I went back a little bit to secure the stitch into the shirt. Since it's not like a zigzag or four-way stretch fabric, I just did a straight stitch and then secured it with knots.
I brought a hold of my city. I brought a hold of my city to go out and get it. Had to go get me a ticket. Had to go get me them ends. She wanna ride in the Benz. Lost my day.
This next step is completely optional, but if you are busty, I wouldn't skip it. So I measured the elastic to be the circumference of my chest, and I'm going to secure it to one side of the dress at the top and fold the fabric over it, and then I'm going to stitch right through the elastic.
All of my old bitches tripping, my trigger figure be itching. Fuck a palm reading nigga when you palm itch. Need a presidential rollie and a bomb bitch. I'm on the broad shit, 23 hoes, all shit. Said she never been as high inside a cockpit. I bet she leave a new nigga just to get with me. High fashion, high distraction, this ain't new to me. Man, fucking on her, had that bitch wildin'. Fucking with me, had to get that whole stylist. All this no designer and it's double G. Penthouse sweet, I wanna get to me. Penthouse sweet, they never get to me. No, no, no.
So now I'm taking the other side of the dress and I'm stitching it closed, and then I'm going to cut out all of the excess fabric on the inside that's beside the seam.
I just wanna bow. Designer on my drive.
So once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Really, really easy, and then you can model it.
I just wanna bow. Designer on my drive. I've been dripping sauce. I just wanna bow. She wanna fuck with a boss, ayy. I just been dripping the sauce, ayy. I spend a lot of my draws, ayy. I do not fuck with Lacoste, ayy. My fuck